Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this tutorial I am gonna show you how you can add buy now button to your WooCommerce store. So here you can see there is two button, one is for buy now and another is add to cart. So customer can directly buy now this product very easily. So I have designed this store very recently using StoreX theme. If you want to make this type of website, you can watch my recent video that I have published on my channel. If any customer click on buy now button, then it will be redirect to our checkout page. So customer can enter their details and then they can purchase this product. Just click on place order, then it will be purchased. So for add buy now button, let's go back to our dashboard, and here on the left panel, here you can see plugins. Just hover on plugins and then click on add new plugin. So we are going to install a plugin for add a buy now button, and here search for direct checkout. And it's a free plugin, you don't have to purchase this plugin. And here you can see a lot of plugin, you can use other plugin. So for now I am going to use this. Just click on install now. Now it is installing, so you have to wait a couple of moments. Now it's installed, and click on activate. Now it will be activated. Okay, now let's go to our installed plugin, and here you can see direct checkout for WooCommerce Lite. Just go to settings. Now we will get all of option. Now if I go to our shop page, and here you will see there is no buy now button, there is only add to cart button. So now we are enable this add to cart button from our settings. So here you can see enable disable direct checkout. Just click on enable. Now it will be enabled for direct checkout. When if any customer click on buy now button, then it will be redirect to our checkout page. And add to cart button text, you can change the add to cart button text from here. So leave it show direct checkout button on shop page. So you can show direct checkout button on shop page on here. Here you can show direct checkout button. So let's enable this. Okay, now on the other option is disable, because we need to go paid plan for enable this. So free plan is enough for us. So let's click on save change. Okay, now let's go our shop and reload the page, and here you can see the buy now button added in our store. Now if any customer click on buy now button, then it will be redirect to our checkout page, so customer can easily purchase our product. So this is how you can add buy now button on your WooCommerce store. If this video helpful, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.